First impressions matter, and when it comes to your home, your front entryway is the focal point that sets the tone for what's inside. Whether you're prepping to sell your home or simply want to take pride in your property, replacing your entry door is one of the fastest and most cost-effective ways to boost curb appeal. If you're in Knoxville, this upgrade offers even more benefits thanks to the area's unique climate and architectural styles. Why your entry door matters. Your front door does more than provide entry. It welcomes guests, reflects your personal style, and even influences your home's security and energy efficiency. Over time, wear and tear from the elements, especially the humid summers and chilly winters in Knoxville, can warp or damage older doors, making them not only unattractive but also inefficient. By replacing your outdated or damaged entry door, you immediately enhance your home's aesthetics and increase its value. A new door can transform the entire facade of your house, giving it a fresh, modern, and cared-for appearance. Benefits of entry door replacement in Knoxville. Instant curb appeal. From vibrant statement doors to classic wooden designs, today's entry doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to suit any taste. In Knoxville's diverse neighborhoods, ranging from historic homes in Old North Knoxville to newer builds in Farragut, a properly selected door adds character and charm. Many homeowners see a dramatic before and after difference with just this one change. Increased home value. According to real estate studies, replacing your front door is one of the top remodeling projects for return on investment. Prospective buyers notice the front entrance first, and a new door suggests the home has been well maintained. In Knoxville's competitive housing market, this simple upgrade can give you a crucial edge. Better energy efficiency. Old or poorly sealed doors let drafts in and cool air out, which can drive up your energy bills, especially during Knoxville's hot summers and brisk winters. Modern entry doors are built with insulation and tight seals that improve your home's thermal performance. Choosing an Energy Star rated model can reduce heating and cooling costs year-round. Improved security is top of mind for every homeowner. New entry doors are made from advanced materials like fiberglass or steel and come with reinforced locks and frames, offering better resistance against forced entry. You can also choose options with smart locks for added convenience and safety. Low maintenance. Today's doors are designed to stand the test of time. Materials like fiberglass resist dents, scratches, and moisture, common culprits in the Knoxville climate. Some options mimic the look of real wood without requiring frequent painting or staining, allowing you to enjoy a beautiful entryway with minimal upkeep. Choosing the right door for your Knoxville home. When selecting a new entry door, consider your home's architectural style, your budget, and the weather conditions. Popular options include fiberglass doors, durable, energy efficient, and customizable. These doors are ideal for humid climates. Steel doors offer superior security and strength at a reasonable price. Wood doors, timeless and elegant, perfect for historic homes, though they require more maintenance. Glass inserts, side lights, and decorative hardware can also enhance your door's appeal without compromising performance. Professional installation makes a difference. To get the full benefits of a door replacement, it's important to have it professionally installed. Local Knoxville experts understand the region's climate challenges and building codes, ensuring a secure and weather-tight fit. A poorly installed door can cancel out all the advantages of your investment. Final thoughts. Replacing your entry door is a simple yet powerful way to instantly boost your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and value. For Knoxville homeowners, it's an investment that pays off in both aesthetic and practical ways. Whether you're upgrading for your own enjoyment or preparing to sell, a new front door sets the stage for everything that follows. Make the right first impression. Start with your entryway.